the Bond theme has been in our lives for as long as we can remember. You know, you're in the womb, what do you hear? The heartbeat and the Bond theme.
When Bond does something typically Bond-esque, then there's really only one piece of music you can play.
James Bond, the character, doesn't spend a lot of time talking about what he's doing or how he's feeling. So the music has always had to kind of give you a sense of what's going on within Bond. The adrenaline, the tension, the joy, the anxiety. You hear the Bond theme and it gives you that shot in the arm.